Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. You did great.
Did I? Yeah.
Today I am here with my friend Jessica.
Hello.
She lives in Texas and her husband are here visiting us for a week because they love us.
Yay.
I have a sore throat or something, so if I sound funny, whatever. And today we are going to do an Ulta haul. We went to Ulta and spent a bunch of money, kind of, sort of,
A little bit.
and had a bunch of fun, and we're going to show you all of our goodies. And yeah, do you want to say something about yourself first?
Oh, what do I say?
I don't know.
Hi, Kylie already said I'm from Texas.
Mm.
Well, what do I say?
We met each other, what, how many years ago now?
In 2013.
2013. Our husbands were in the military together, so we met. Didn't really care for her, and then I liked her, and then we've been best friends ever since.
I know, right? I think that's why how a lot of good friendships start. It's
I think so too.
like, oh no, I don't like you. Like, oh wait a minute, I
Wait a
do
minute.
like you.
Wait a minute, you're a cool bitch.
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
a little bit. But yes, we met in 2013, and just pretty much what she said. We're from Texas and we're here on vacation.
So you'll probably see her in more videos. I'm gonna get her in as many as I can while she's here. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, my Ulta bag. Actually, I've got a ton of items, and you'll see my total was about $140 some, and I ended up only paying $7 of that. And this, you guys, is why you save up your points and do not use them when you have $1, $2 to use, because if you wait and save them, you're gonna get the most bang out of your buck. And I had, was it $125 of points that I got to use it all on?
Oh yeah.
Save your points and then use them later. I think it's about 2,000 points. If you have it on the app, it'll tell you how many dollars it's worth and stuff. So save your points. If you need to, wait till the end of the year. If you're certain statuses, then your points never go away. So just don't spend them. And then you can get stuff like this all for free.
Yeah, don't be like me. I'm like, oh yeah, I have $3. I'll use it.
Yeah.
Use it.
I'll let Jessica go first. She can show you her first product.
Okay, well, the first thing that I got was Kylie had recommended. It's the foundation that she uses, and it's the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Do You. I do have normal to oily skin, but this already the second day that I've used it, and so far I'm loving the way it applies. It doesn't make me look oily at all. It is a little bit dewy, which I do love because I'm trying to get out of that matte foundation. You know, it's just all flat. So so far I'm loving it. I've been applying it with a brush. Kylie does use a sponge, but for me that didn't really work so well. Loving it.
She also wore that foundation last night, and you were wearing that for well over 8 hours.
Oh yeah. Oh, definitely.
Well over 8 hours, and it still looked, okay, she put it on at least, what time did we go out to the pond? 12?
Yeah.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3,
like
4,
one.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah,
So I'd
over
say
8 hours.
she wore it definitely more than 8 hours, and by the end of the night, she did not have barely, the only oil that I started noticing was on your nose, and that was barely any at all. It worked fantastic on her.
I loved it.
My first product, I will stick with the same brand, same line. This is the Too Faced Do You setting powder. Okay. Translucent Radiant Pearl setting powder. If you've ever tried the Too Faced Do You line, it smells amazing. The foundation smells amazing. Everything in that line smells amazing, and this does too. So far, I'm wearing it today. Yesterday when I applied it, I noticed it does have a little bit of a pink hue, and I think that's from the pearl stuff, but I don't notice it as much today.
No,
I don't think it's got that. I don't know if I like it yet or not. This is only the second time using it. I feel like my eyes don't look as good. The under eyes, I feel like they look more crunchy than normal. So I'm going to give it a couple more tries. We'll see if I like it. I don't know. I'll let you guys know.
Next one for me is the MAC Dazzle Glass in Moth to a Flame. And I absolutely loved it. The color, I mean, I've been looking for a gloss. I've been more of a matte lipstick wearer for several years now. I'm like, okay, I need to go back to glossy, you know, lips, and I like it. It's not too sheer, it doesn't have too much color, and it's got a little bit of shimmer to it. So, and of course you can't go wrong with MAC. So
I don't know if you can even see it right here.
yeah, you
Yep,
can't
it's
see
kind
it.
of there. It's very pretty on her lips. It smells good, kind of.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll move on to lips too. I got a MAC lipstick, and this is from the Aladdin collection, which, by the way, the packaging is so gorgeous. And this is the shade Friend Like Me. The packaging is gorgeous, and it is just a simple nude shade.
Oh, it's just beautiful though.
It's very, very pretty, and I have some on my lips right now. And it's not a matte. This is the, what kind of finish is this? It's not matte. It's like a satin.
Like a satin.
Yeah.
Because it's not shiny and it's not matte.
No. But it feels so great on the lips. It's the problem with wearing too many mattes is just the dryness. So I love the feel of this. I think it looks fantastic. So if they have any left, I'd say get your hands on it because I love it. Do you want to try it on? Do you want to see what it looks like on you?
Yeah, I can do that.
Oh, you're so precise. I'm just like... Oh, that looks so good. It's more pinky.
I was going to say it looks pinky on me. It looks more mauve on you.
Yeah.
But it looks...
I think if you had a lip liner under it, or at least around,
right,
then it would look really good. But it feels nice, right?
Yes, definitely.
So yeah, that's the Friend Like Me.
I'm gonna have to get that one now. I got the Urban Decay 24 Glide in the color Torch. I've been after this for weeks, and it was always sold out, and then I finally found it.
What's it called? 27.
The 24/7 Glide on
eye pencil. They had so many pretty colors. I've never tried Urban Decay like pencils. I've only tried the liquid eyeliner. So I definitely want to try hers out too because this color is gorgeous. And
I wonder if we could even use this as a lip liner as well since it doesn't have any shimmer to it.
I don't see why not. If you can use it around your eye, why wouldn't you be able to use it around your mouth?
Yeah, for sure.
Another MAC product. I got, this is the Matte Painterly Pro Longwear Paint Pot. Oh my gosh, why can't I open it? This is, I see everybody else using these as eyelid primers, and it's either this shade or ochre is what everybody else uses. But I looked at ochre and it was very yellow, so for me this shade just looked like it would fit me better. So I'm excited to try this out just for, instead of an eye primer, or what I usually do is use concealer, so I'm hoping this will work. I just want to see how it works. Jump on that bandwagon.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, can't go wrong with, like I said, with MAC.
Yep.
So the next things that I got two of the same product, kind of, just different colors. I got the ColourPop eyeshadows, and I got one in the color Let Me Pass.
The Super Shock shadows.
Yes, the Super Shock shadows, and the other one is in Frog.
I've always wanted to try out ColourPop, so I'm going to have to try hers out. My problem was there were so many pretty ones, I didn't know which ones to choose. So I'm glad she grabbed a couple so I can try these out, because I will definitely be trying them out. I love the feel of them. And I think these are the type of eyeshadows that you can just pop on the lid, put in maybe a little crease shade, and then call it a day. You like don't have to do, it's like it'd be easy to make a good look. And then Frog, I think, would make a good topper.
Yes.
Like put on other eyeshadows and just change it up a little bit. So
yes, for sure.
I did end up getting a ColourPop Super Shock blush. This is the shade Tasty. This was the only blush, Super Shock blush, that I saw in store, so I thought it was gorgeous. I have it on right now. You can't really tell a whole lot, but I also did use it as an eyeshadow and it was very pretty. I do want to try out their Super Shock highlighters too, because those look freaking gorgeous. Yes. So if I really like these, then you're gonna see a lot of ColourPop on my channel because it's so cheap, and I just feel like they're all so pretty. So.
Oh yeah. My birthday was June 9th, and you know, at Ulta they give you a gift for the your birthday, and I didn't have my phone with me, so I couldn't get the one that they were giving for the month of June, but the manager was nice enough to say, hey, you know what, I'll just give you one from previous months. So she gave me a NYX lipstick.
This is the lingerie, NYX lingerie, in the shade French Maid. This looks very pretty.
I did try it on I don't know how I feel about it, but I did love the color. The color was just gorgeous.
But you weren't sure about the formula?
I wasn't sure about the formula.
See, I have a lingerie and I really like it.
Really?
Yeah. That's all she got, so I'll continue with what I got. So my next product, I have been on the hunt for a good mascara. The last one that came in the BoxyCharm, if you saw my BoxyCharm video, I don't really like it. It smears all over my lid. So I did hear from Kathleen Lights, her channel. She likes the NARS Climax mascara a lot, so I did try that. It's a really cute tube too. I don't know why I like it so much, but it's cute. So I tried it yesterday, and so far, nothing special about the wand really. So far, I really liked it. I thought it gave both volume and length, kind of.
Yes.
For what I can remember.
I'm actually going to try that today, and if I do end up liking it, I'm going to go get one.
Yeah, it was $24, which is in the range of, I mean, pretty much all high-end mascaras. So, I don't know. So far, so far it's good.
Keep dropping stuff.
Yeah, I know. Usually shit ends up behind the curtain. I'm like, how the fuck did it get back there? Next thing I got, so I got some magnetic lashes because when I do makeup for this channel, I feel like lashes really make it look finished and look way better. But I don't want to waste lashes when I know I'm just going to put them on and take them right back off. So I wanted magnetic lashes. So I got the Kiss Magnetic Lash, and they look so pretty in the box. But I couldn't really get them on. I spent 10 minutes and I couldn't get them on right. So I'm just going to have to keep playing. I'm hoping I'll eventually get the hang of it because the concept is really cool. But, oh, they were on sale for $4.99 too. So.
Oh yeah, so that works out.
Yeah.
I mean, you could always just practice.
So her and I both got this. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, but is this the travel size? The travel size version, but you can see there's a price tag, $15, and that's the sale price originally, but then it was 75% off of that. So these ended up being, what was it, $3 or $2 and some odd cents?
$3.75.
$3.75.
Oh, yeah.
$3.75 for this size. So I think we were gonna go back and grab a couple of them because at $3, this is, how many ounces is in this? 1 fluid ounce. How much is a normal one?
I don't know.
Mac Fix Plus is 3.4. So if this was the same, the original size was the same as this, you're still only spending $9 to get 3 of these. So that's way cheaper.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go buy all of them.
We should.
Yeah. The last thing I got is the Kylie Jenner Teeth Whitening Pen. Or Kendall Jenner. This is Kendall Jenner. It's called Moon. Yeah, Moon Teeth Whitening Pen. So this is it. I have not used it yet, but you click the button down here and it'll come out on the top. You use it twice a day on your teeth, which I just keep forgetting to use it. So did I say once a day or twice a day?
I don't remember.
Use it twice a day. So I asked, it was sitting right by the register. So I asked her if they tried it and if it was any good, and they said a lot of people so far have liked it that came in and used it. So I was like, sure,
Take it.
let's go. So I'm excited. I hope it whitens my teeth because your girl needs some help. This was only $20, by the way.
Just
But
not a bad deal though.
No, she also picked up for our husbands some beard kits. It's got an oil, a conditioner
wash.
thingy, wash, and like a gel, not a gel.
Yeah, it is like a gel. It's a styling, but it's not it's not gonna stay hard, but it's like a soft hold.
Yeah. So they were buy one get them 50% off, but made them $18 a
Yes.
piece, right? So then for 3 things, it wasn't bad,
Right.
and those last a long time.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Also, so this is not from Ulta. We did go to TJ Maxx too, and they had so much good stuff. I feel like our TJ Maxx always has really good stuff.
It really does. I'm actually surprised. At least on the location that I go to, I guess it's just more population, so there isn't as much good stuff left over. So
yeah, they have the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kits, ABH highlighter palettes, Too Faced chocolate bonbon palettes, Kat Von D cream contour, tons of Stila and ABH liquid lipsticks. There's just so much stuff there. They got tons of hair stuff too. So I picked up a curling iron. This is the Lang curling wand, the 25 millimeter. I have a 32 by Numi, and I just thought I just wanted to try something smaller. So I picked this up, and so far her and I are both loving it.
I love it.
I don't know how much they actually retail for, because we looked it up on the website and it was over $100. And this was $25. So I don't know if they're actually $100. If you've got one of these, tell me how much you paid for it, because I want to know how much you normally pay for it.
Yeah.
This was the only 25 millimeter that they had, but they had a bunch of the 30. They had a bunch of the 32 if you wanted a bunch.
Of the 32, yeah.
Yeah. That was all of our goodies. I'll try to keep you updated on the other products. You'll probably see me use a lot of these products in my, tutorials and get readies with me. So, yeah, if you have any questions about any of the products that we talked about today, just leave them in the comments below. We will happily answer them for you. And other than that, we will just see you in the next video.
Yay! All right.
And thanks for Jessica.
Thanks. Thanks for having me.
Thanks. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.